today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can earn up to $450 every single day, all by the power of watching ads. Yes, you heard that right. Earning money just by watching ads. Today's method is incredibly easy to do, and it's a very quick way to earn money too. It's free, which means you won't need to pay for anything at all. Because we don't want you to pay for anything at all. It's that simple. This can be done from any part of the world, but the only real way to know is if you have try it, and so that you make sure that you do. We're gonna make you guys so rich that the life you have right now will be nothing compared to the life you will have after watching today's video and all of our other videos for you. What's up everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. So the first website is called PTC Share. And to the website, you can just type in ptcshare.com, and this is what you should see. PTC Share is more than just a pay to click. Tons of ways to earn money for free. Interact with advertisers and earn up to $1 per ad view. We value loyalty, hard work, so you can build up your earnings over time. And they also claim to have offer walls, surveys, and more. They also have low cash out limits, processed daily. As you can see over here, there are the top earners in the last 48 hours. People earning $5 all the way to $18 in just a span of 2 days. And over here are the last cash outs made, so you can literally cash out as low as $1 and earn as much as $55, which is absolutely insane. There are about 540,000 users registered, over $192,000 already cashed out, and $520,000 that members have earned all time just with this platform alone. PTC Share is secure. It's supported by a high-quality secure system which makes sure all your information remains safe. PTC Share is transparent. All transactions made in their platform can be tracked. You can follow every single order that you've made with them. It's sustainable. They've designed a sustainable system based on real revenues made by real products. You can earn money online in just a few minutes. Earning with them is very simple. Once you register an account, there will be some cash ads already waiting for you. You will also have a welcome gift of 100 BAPs in your account, which will enable you to receive some more cash ads. While you wait on those, make sure to earn yourself more BAP by viewing a few of our advertisers' messages, which will allow you to receive even more cash ads. While you wait on receiving more cash ads, make sure to have a look at our offer section, where many various tasks await you with more possibilities to earn. If you scroll lower, you'll see that they pay out through so many different methods like Perfect Money, Payeer, Bitcoin, and Lifecoin as well. Now we're going to sign up for a free account, and to do that, we're just going to click on the Join Us Now button, and that should then lead you to this right here, wherein you're going to provide all of the details being asked. So your username, password twice, email twice, confirm you're not a robot, agree to the terms, and then finally hit on create account. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer, PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. Once you've clicked on that, you will see this. Thank you for registering. Before you can log in, please click on the activation link that was sent to your registered email. Make sure to check spam folder as well. So let's go to our email account, check our inbox, and this is what their email should look like. And we just need to click on this or copy paste this link, and boom, account activated. Now you can finally log into your brand new account. To do that, just click on this button that says login, and that should take you to here. Enter your login details, confirm you're not a robot, then hit login. Right away, you'll be met with something like this, and it says, welcome to PTC Share. You've just received 100 BAPS as welcome bonus. PTC Share is a bit different from all other pay-to-click sites out there, as we value members for their activity and commitment by giving you more chances to earn and grow your earnings. On this page, you have an overview of the most important things in PTC Share and your status as a member. Now, this is what your official dashboard should look like. It's a little confusing right now, but don't worry. We're going to be walking you through the whole thing, so just leave it all to us. So here you'll see your balance and your points and everything like that. And as you scroll down, you'll see all the activity and tasks to be done and that are done as well. Now go ahead and click on earn right here, and then you'll see all the different ways to earn on this platform. View ads, offer walls, surveys, videos, PTC walls, click grid, and refer friends. Our focus is obviously to earn from watching ads, so we're going to click on view ads right here. As soon as you click on that, you'll then see this. Activation ads, paid ads, and complete offers, so you can do these ones and earn up to $10 and more. You can just click on whatever you want to click on, and then you can earn the amount promised. The more ads you view, more offers to complete, the more money you can make. It's really all in your hands. Another way to earn would be clicking on click grid, which is also you can find under earn. Now each of these grids contain ads. If you click on this box, an ad will pop out, and so on and so forth with the rest of the grids. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next, so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. You'll know that it's credited because the ads that you've already opened up or the grids that you've already clicked on will turn red, so you know that you're paid for. So if this contains 100 ads and you click on all of that, it's 0.5 cents per click. That's an easy $5 in literal minutes. It's amazing and another great way to earn easy money in less than 5 minutes. The last option would be doing referrals, and that's how you can earn passively. You can go and refer friends, grab your link, share it on forums and different social media platforms, and if you can, share it with your family and friends too, and you'll be earning without doing any work in no time. With this platform alone, you can make money for yourself and have people make money for you all at the same time. So make sure that you follow everything that I just shared with you, because we know that you're definitely not going to regret it. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.